Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna giving you my thoughts so far on the 2022 Lowrider ST and what I think about it. So obviously I got the bags off right there. Yeah, looks pretty much just like the Lowrider S. Around this area you got a tail section right here. Obviously the bags hook onto here and then down there, and then that's just a really lift the latch and then pull them off type deal. So it's super simple. The turn signals on the tail are a little different because usually on the Lowrider S they're like right here, but because of the bags they're right here. Kind of like the color scheme on that, how it's like gray, black, and then the yellow, but definitely gonna be switching those rear turn signals and also these little front turn signals out. Let's go ahead and turn the bike on so it'll be ready whenever I want to get out of here. What else? Sorry. Obviously the front fairing, super nice. Does a good job. You got this little extra bit down here. It's pretty cool. I never noticed that before until I got the Lowrider S. So yeah, just a good looking bike. I do like the way it looks like without the bags on it. Like, look at that. That's kind of clean. I mean, I do like the bags too, but like I said, I'm not trying to damage the bags in any sort of way if I'm not gonna be actually using them. Let's go ahead and get on the bike and I'll keep telling you what I think of the bike. There you go. Alright. One thing I don't know why I didn't notice this before, but you can tell the fairing isn't like, it's connected to like the frame, so the handlebars, you don't got to worry about like a bunch of extra weight on them or anything like that, because there isn't any really. And off we go. Just repaved the entire road. I mean, it's not the best job, but it's better than having that and then all the tar snakes on the road where it makes it like slippery. And I mean, I can still hear like the pebble, like the mini rocks getting hit up on the bike from this, so that's kind of sucks. Hopefully it doesn't do like crazy damage. I don't think it will though. People hate that I don't stop at the stop sign, but it's literally in my neighborhood. I can tell if there's a car coming. It's not one of the main stop signs. Like, chill out. It's on the road, obviously I'm gonna stop. Like, this one's got a blind turn to the left, so I'm stopping, or else I won't be able to see. But anyway, Lowrider ST, what I think so far? I mean, so far it's just like the Lowrider S. I love it. No complaints. Like I said, the bike is still super maneuverable, even for like a heavy bike like this. I'm 6'1", about 180 pounds. You know, I'm not like the biggest dude. I'm just like average, I guess, if you want to say that. But the center of gravity on this bike is low, so it should be pretty easy for anybody to ride around on. Obviously once you get it moving, like, you're good. It's got pretty good balance and everything. I can come to slow stops pretty good, like without having to put my feet down on this thing. It's pretty cool for it being like 700 pounds. Alright, we're gonna go to the left today. Put my turn signal on. we just wait for these people to go. You know, other than like the few modifications, it pretty much is just a lowrider S. It's a Ripper, obviously. You could just tell. At 6'1", like the fairing still does a good amount for me. I'm not gonna lie. I know some people like they have like taller windshields. I think you can get off Clockworks, but I kind of like the way the smaller windshield looks. But I don't know. Maybe when it gets colder, maybe I'll switch to a taller windshield. But for now, doesn't bother me too much. She's on her phone. Traffic up there. So I will hit a little back road or something. So yeah, I think the handlebars are the same, but they're just like brought back to you a little more, obviously. I don't know. I think I might still throw on some risers on here. But, you know, for now, that's like not a big concern because it's like already really comfortable. Gonna be putting the Thrash and Supply militant pegs on whenever I can order that. Oh yeah, definitely gonna get the Bung King crash bar. I'll probably just get the front. I don't know if I should get the rear or not, but I just want to take all precautions with this bike. So definitely gonna be ordering that. And then, like I said, the most likely the custom dynamics turn signals and stuff. That person's trying to get over, but I don't know if he saw me or not, so he's trying to get out the way. So, you know, I'm loving every second of I'm riding this, just like the lowrider S. You know, amazing bikes. If you can test ride them, I would. Yeah, I mean, this is my first experience with Harleys is the lowrider S and the lowrider ST, so I can't really speak on other models. I know the Street Bob is pretty cool. If I wasn't able to get a lowrider S or ST, I probably would end up on a Street Bob, and that's a skunk. Oh man, that smells so bad. Jesus, I think that's the first skunk I've ever ridden like right next to while on a motorcycle. Oh man, trying not to gag right now. I think we're good. Now, once I start gagging, I know I'm throwing up. Man, that was rancid. Jesus. But we passed that now. So, nice little road back here. Slow down for the cars up ahead. Dang, what's up with the roadkill this morning? So yeah, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. It's like 70 degrees outside. You know, it's freaking perfect. I guess I'll go straight. And I bought myself a puppy recently. Well, I put a down payment on it, and then it's pretty much like a gift for like early birthday present for me. But the puppy should be getting here this Friday coming up. Hopefully, you know, put in the deposit and paid for it fully, and then oh my god, no, Jesus, that was another roadkill, and that one was worse than the dang skunk. Oh my god, this is when having a weak stomach isn't good. Oh, that's vile. Okay. But anyway, yeah, getting a puppy, little bulldog, little miniature English bulldog. We already have two, but like this one's gonna be my own, which is cool. Should be getting here on Friday, hopefully. So that's gonna be pretty cool. Obviously I'm still gonna be riding and stuff. Alright. Definitely gonna need some new shift levers, to be honest. Yeah, they're like, the Harley ones are so big, and then when I'm pulling them in, it's hitting my knuckles. It's actually hurting a little bit, but I mean right now they're just working just fine, obviously. It's just little minute stuff like that to make your ride just a little bit better. Like different pegs, oh yeah, different seat, and then, you know, just some different levers. I don't know if the heated grips will come this year or this riding season, but we'll see. Still gonna be riding without the heated grips during the winter. I mean, I did last year. Whenever I did ride, I didn't have any heated grips. I got some like big heated gloves, but they didn't like fit on the little Z400. But I mean, the Harley handlebars are a lot thicker and a lot bigger, so we'll see. Maybe they'll work better on here. Hopefully. Why are we going so slow right now? It's a 55 and we're going 45. Yeah, 55 right there. Dude's going. They won't be able to do stuff like that because my engine's getting fucking like damaged. Don't pull in some shit like that though. But anyway, you know, those are just the beginning thoughts of the my thoughts on the Lowrider S, and just have some fun around here riding. Nothing like a huge topic to talk about today. I'm not doing a review. I haven't done a review yet on the Lowrider ST because I still want to, even though it's still the same bike as the Lowrider S, I still want to ride it some more and see if I can nitpick any little tiny differences of it. And then I want to do like, see how, like, get a little bit more experience with this wind fairing and stuff like that, front fairing. And then I'll do a review. And then when I do the review, I'll put the bags back on the bike and then take them off for you guys and stuff like that. Yeah. But I mean, that's all I had to talk about today. Just a quick little video giving you my first thoughts and impressions on the Lowrider S. Thanks for watching, and then the next video won't be too long. Peace.